everyone, and welcome to day 5 of the gazebo build. Today we're going to put on the hip caps that I broke and get started on that 2-tier top thing. So yeah, should be a fun day. Alright, so I'll kind of pick out the best looking one here to go on this corner, because that's kind of the front most visible corner. I think this is probably our best one here. And see if I can get rid of this tape. Not that it's gonna matter. I'm gonna hem it over anyways. Yeah, it'll be a little more involved than just setting it up there, because I want it to look nice, because we didn't take too much care in placing those shingles. Oh yeah, I should have lots. Well, I maybe didn't have to. Well, no, that's a good bend. Okay, I'll maybe just tack that shingle down. Grab a battery. Okay, now what have we got for a thickness here? 3/4. Okay, so I'll leave 1.5 inches extra, roughly. Maybe a little bit more just to be safe. There, now we're on the hip nicely. Just use my Sharpie. Mark that angle. Okay, now we got that. I'll grab my snip bag here. I'll maybe just finish off these lines so I know. Sort of meet right there. Okay, now I want to go 1.5 inches back from this line. Which is right about there. And I should make a 3/4 inch line right away, actually. Okay. And we'll grab the seamers. Oh. Those aren't quite going to be long enough, are they? I'm just going to have to use the end of them. Have to trim this back just a bit. Almost need a pair of angled seamers. It would help quite a bit. Okay, there's that one. I'll have to trim this just a touch. Push it up my left. Open that back up just a bit. And there. That's sort of what we're going with. Just trim that to an angle. So it looks nice from the underside. That should slip right over, just like that. Now I can sort of beat those corners in. But that'll be the hip cap. Alright, so I got the hip done and we're just working on this raised top here. I just got some blocks and I was just sort of admiring the grain of that fir. These are really nice chunks of 2x4. But anyways, I'll just put these blocks up here just to give us our height. We can run our 2x4s there. Alright, well we got this piece done here. Got the fascia on and the miters, so now we'll start shingling. Alright, so we ran out of shingles and just taking a break from that now, we're moving on to the sides, and this is just sort of the typical railing design that I use, just a 2x4 flat and then a vertical one, and then we went rough sawn to the outside so it looks all uniform on the inside. Okay, well, I think we're gonna call it a day today because we ran out of lumber, so I'm gonna have to go get some more to finish off this railing. We'll have enough to do the top piece of the boards, but I just need more 2x4s. And yeah, I guess, I don't know, what is there, 10 per? So I guess 10 more boards, and yeah. That top piece got that light in there and the wire sort of just roughly routed through. I think eventually I'll put it through the eye hook so it follows the chain up. But yeah, take a climb up here. Shingled as far as we could. Need more shingles now. There's that solar panel that'll get mounted somewhere. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been quite a fun project so far. So keep following along as we finish this off. Check out my Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff for updates. Links are in the description. My merch store if you'd like. And yeah, stay healthy, everyone.